Okay, so this is my breakfast where I'm having feta cheese salad. I don't know why I'm having this, but I think I just got bored of eating eggs every day. Then we have tea. I usually have tea in the morning. It really helps with the mucus. And in the afternoon, I'll have coffee. And this is where I'll plan my day out. So, I usually start my study session by revising certain topics, especially bio, early in the morning so that it keeps the information long lasting. Honestly, it's so cold right now that I'm actually wearing a sweater. But anyways, I'll be starting with the main topics now for all the subjects. So starting with ray optics for physics. I've just started the chapter, so yes, now we can continue with the chapter. So I have to attend my classes from 8 to 1 and I try to keep it as productive as possible, where I also try to revise the previous content that I had written the previous day. If I get some time in between, I try to revise all the content plus the topics covered in today's lecture. In this way, I can save some time for myself and give other topics a chance to be revised. Okay, so I'm apparently done with my classes, and these are the amount of questions we did, and my table also got a little messy, but who cares, because right now I'm done with my classes. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna have my power nap. Like, I don't care. I mean, I don't know if anyone really has that power nap thing going on in their routine, but I do, because I usually have a 6-hour sleep at night, and then like I have 1 hour of power nap, because obviously I get exhausted from all the work in the morning, and I feel like when I wake up from my afternoon nap, I'm way more productive. So it's 3:10 right now and I made myself some cold coffee and I'm gonna be taking a break because I showered and then slept as well. And I'm also gonna be watching this series, which is The Resident. Do tell me which all series are you watching, even though I don't know if you guys get time because it's officially the exam season. But yeah, this is what I'm watching and I feel it's so interesting. Okay, so right now I'm studying and let me tell you, I study like in the afternoon, mostly in the afternoon because I feel that's a great time for me to study. I'll study till 6 or 6:30 because after that I'll have dinner. And right now I was actually making this cheat sheet. It's not even a cheat sheet, but you can say these are just concise notes because I wanted to make them a little smaller in shorter forms and easier, because over here, like, yes, I made notes, but they aren't that easy to understand. So for some reason it's kind of like my practice paper. I know you won't believe this is kind of like my practice paper, but who cares? And I did a little bit of calligraphy practicing, so I'll just study till 6 so that I can keep my lighter work like taking notes, writing notes, or whatsoever at the end, because I know I'm surely gonna be burned out at the end, which I'm not that easily, but yeah, like, why not? So here I have made my tea and it's already 9, and I don't know why I have this habit of drinking tea at night, which is, I know, not good, but I usually stay up till 12 or 1 while studying, and then I have a little snack to be snacking, which I don't know if I'm gonna eat or not because obviously I had dinner.